Welcome to Octane Buick GMC, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with rear view camera, keyless entry, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, auto high beam headlamp control, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, air conditioning, traction control, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Locally owned and operated Octane Buick GMC strives to satisfy our customers' needs when it comes to purchasing or servicing a vehicle. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff treats all of our guests with respect, and we pride ourselves on our fast and transparent purchasing experience. Octane Buick GMC, we're making deals the Octane way. We're located at 2721 Cerrillos Road in Santa Fe.